Hello my friends, so today we're gonna look at this beautiful purplish magenta wild onion flower. So in our surroundings here, I've seen a couple of flowers and I gathered them together. So as a quick knowledge about this beautiful plant, it has a flower that has a purple sensation. It has the name Allium Hollandicum purple sensation, and it has an intense bright shade of magenta purple. It's so beautiful. And we are now in late spring, and I've seen them from some spots here. So I gathered them together, and I'm planning to make a bouquet out of them. So first I put them in a vase and made it a flower vase. So now wait for my next video. I'm gonna show you how I